Hello and welcome to this series of lectures for the CIA Certified Internal Auditor Part 1, Essentials of Internal Auditing. Before I start with Unit 1, the Foundations of Internal Audit, let me remind you briefly about Part 1. The CIA exam Part 1 is aligned with the IA's International Professional Practice Framework, the IPPF, and includes 6 domains covering foundations of internal auditing, which is 15% of the exam, independence and objectivity, which makes up again 15% of the exam questions, proficiency and due professional care, which represents 18% of the exam questions, quality assurance and improvement program, which is 7%, governance, risk management and control, 35%, fraud risk and it's 10% of the exam questions. The first 4 domains, if you notice, makes up 55% of the total exam questions, and we will be covering these domains in units 1 and 2. The largest domain, which is governance, risk management and control, that represents or makes up 35% of the exam questions, will be covered in units 3, 4 and 6. Fraud risk, which forms 10% of the exam, we will be covering it in chapters 5 and 6.